Hello, my name is Hanika Septianugroho. I will discuss about the kinds of campsite drift. What is meant by campsite, which is a piece of equipment that is often used on piston engines that acts to regulate valve openings. There are three campsite drift models. Model 1, Timing gear. This model was used on a heavy overhead valve type of valve mechanism which put the camshaft in the cylinder block. The timing gear usually causes a big noise compared to the timing chain. The surplus of timing gear. I. Timing are extremely durable. B. Most powerful. C. Low vibrational level. The shortage of timing gear. A. Is really complicated. B. More noise. C. Requires a degree of precision and accuracy. Model 2. Timing chain. This model was used on the OHG overhead camshaft machine and the OHG dual overhead camshaft. Camshaft motion by timing chain and sprocket gear as replacement of timing gear. The surplus of timing chain. I. Minimum maintenance. B. Longer lifespan than his timing belt. C. More powerful in day-to-day ice. The shortage of timing chain. I. Is heavier than timing belt. B. Vibration in I. Hit her machine. C. More expensive than timing belt. Usually on a motorcycle using the timing chain. Model 3. Timing belt. A camshaft is driven by timing belt as a replacement for timing chain. Timing belt is not making more noise than its timing chain, nor is it requires lubrication and fine tuning of the voltage. The surplus of timing belt. I. Cheaper because they don't as metal. B. Minimal vibration. C. Is lighter. The shortage of timing belt. A. It breaks when it overheads. B. More vulnerable to break up. C. Periods lower usage. Thank you for watching.